Okay, we're gonna continue where we left off in the previous video. I've actually created another file, created a copy of the original file and name it list02. But you don't have to do it if you don't want to. So we already have the base of the interpreter. So the interpreter is usually made up of 3 elements: tokenize, parse, and evaluate. So we've hard-coded the values in tokenize and parse. So let's put in a proper implementation for these functions. So let's start with tokenize. So maybe I should comment out this one. So we're gonna return, we're gonna use regex to break up the string into tokens. So we're gonna say s.match, match, and we're gonna insert a regex here. So we're gonna say, let's try to pick up the two parentheses first, the opening and closing. So we can say grab the opening and closing parentheses. So let's edit main. We'll say let tokens equal to tokenize. We'll put in this code here. Maybe we'll comment this out for now. And let's print the tokens out and see what we get. All right, tokens, tokens, colon, space, tokens. Oops, tokens. All right. Since we are using document write so often, I think we can shorten it a bit to ease typing. So we can say let d equals document. So in that way, we can shorten this to just d, just to simplify things a bit. So let's refresh the page and see what we get. So okay, it's not doing exactly what we want. It's just picking up the first parenthesis, this one. It's ignoring the last one. So that's because we did not put a G, which says global or take all occurrences of the parentheses. So this should fix the error. So okay, we've got both parentheses. So now let's get the word right and 99. So how do we do that? So we'll add an or here, and no, that's not an or. Okay, and we'll say not. So if it's not space, sorry, backslash space, if it's not tab, and if it's not new line, grab one of more of it. So that should pick up right and 99. Let's try that. Okay, so we've picked up the parentheses right, and 99 does not look right. So it seems to be joined up to the closing parentheses. So we need to amend our regex to say, okay, also not parentheses. It's not closing, it's not opening, sorry, it's not opening or closing parentheses. So let's see if we did it right. So, okay. So, so now we've got it exactly as per our hard code. There are 4 elements. The parentheses, opening parentheses, right, 99, and closing parentheses. So we can remove our hard code. So instead of calling tokenize, we can put tokens here. Then we no longer need this. Can remove that. So so this should still work, but it's not entirely correct because pass is still ignoring what we pass in, right? Because this is still hard coded. We'll cover parse in another video. So so this so we've covered tokenize in this video, and we'll cover parse in the next video, right? So that's all for this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any feedbacks on how to improve my videos, please comment below. Thank you and bye.